Hello, my name is Lutfi Farel from class 15 to A06. My name 15240514. Hardware. Definition. What is hardware? Hardware is all types of component on computer that have a physical form can be seen and felt. So it can be said that the definition of hardware in a computer system is a physical computer tool that is used to carry out several processes such as input, output, and process. How hardware work? How hardware work is based on command. This is also called the instruction set. With this command, hardware can perform various activities that have been determined by the command giver. The three basic instructions for running hardware are as follows. 1. Basic input instruction. Which are instructions that can provide information to other software using a driver intermediary. In this case, the software is the operating system. This happens when the user uses the hardware. For example, typing using a keyboard or clicking with a mouse. 2. Basic process instruction, which are instructions that act as mediators between input or output process. This instruction only occurs in hardware, not the computer system as a whole. Basic output instruction, which are instructions that occur when there is a command to use hardware from the user. Hardware function 1. Provide output. The first hardware function is to provide output to the user after input processing is done. 2. Receiving input. The next hardware function is to receive input. Apart from providing output, the hardware also receives input sent by the user. 3. Storing information and data. Hardware is hardware which has a function to store output data. Usually, the output will be stored in a computer storage device. 4. Processing information and data. Furthermore, the function of hardware is to process data which then becomes new useful information so that it can be understood by humans. Types of hardware. Hardware output. Hardware output is a device that functions to produce new information or useful data so that it can be understood by the user. The new information is output through other device. Here are some examples of hardware output. Hardware output 1. Monitor. The monitor has the function of displaying information that has been processed. That way, user can see the information. Printer. Printer is hardware that functions to print information or data onto, onto paper in the form of writing or image. 3. Speaker. Speaker is hardware that function convert electrical wave into audio wave by vibrating its membrane-shaped component. Types of hardware input. Hardware input is an input device whose role is to enter data in the form of image, text, video, and audio into the computer. Here are some examples of input hardware. 1. Mouse. The mouse is used to move the cursor. In addition, the mouse can also execute practical and quick commands. Generally, a mouse consists three buttons, where to click button on left and right and a scroll button in the middle. Keyboard. The keyboard is fairly unit in data with a mode function or letter symbol as the user performs necessary commands. Next, type of hardware process. Hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on a computer. This device can be called the brain of the computer because it performs important process on the input data. So example of hardware process are CPU, VGA, RAM. CPU is a device that is useful for controlling a process on the computer, be it instruction management to produce the desired output. VGA. This device has a function to process and process graphic data. Later, the output can be displayed on the computer monitor screen. RAM. RAM is a type of hardware that can determine the access speed on computer. Next, software and operating system by Lutfi Farrell Tentua, 15 24060514. Definitions, definition, software, and operating system. A computer operating system is software responsible for managing computer resources such as hardware and software. Computer operating system also serve as bridge between user and computer device, providing an organized work environment and enabling efficient operation. Computer, computer operating system function, organizing and controlling user access. Computer operating systems are responsible for organizing and controlling user access to hardware and software. 2. Intuitive user interface. Computer operating system provide an intuitive user interface to facilitate that's interaction between the user and the computer. 3. File management and memory management. Computer operating systems are also responsible for file management and memory management. 4. Running program efficiency. For operating system, work by managing computer resources such as the CPU or central processing unit and memory. Next, types of computer operating system. Microsoft Windows is the most widely used computer operating system worldwide. 2. Linux, an open source operating system that is very popular among technical users and software developers. Linux offers great flexibility and support a variety of development environments. Android, an operating system that is usually used on mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet. 4. iOS, an operating system developed by Apple and designed specifically for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch device. iOS is known for its high security and intuitive user interface. How a computer operating system work? 1. Setting up the system. 2. Managing memory. 4. Define text. 4. Organizing file. Next, operating system example. Operating system Microsoft Windows, operating system Mac OS, operating system Linux, operating system Android, operating system iOS. This section we have some example of different computer operating systems such as Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Conclusion. After learning about computer operating system, we can conclude the computer operating system are very important in the operation of software and hardware. Computer operating systems are responsible for managing computer resources and providing an organized working environment. By understanding the definition, function, types, working, and example of computer operating system, users can improve their understanding of this technology and increase efficiency in the use of computer. By using the right operating system, we can minimize user expression and perform computer tasks more efficiently. Thank you.